Want access to more Edpuzzle activities? Here's how to get it for free. With a free Edpuzzle account, you start with storage for up to 20 activities. But what if you want to do more? Good news! You can earn more storage just by sharing Edpuzzle with your colleagues. Each time a teacher signs up using your referral link, you both unlock 3 more activities. More storage means more flexibility to create your library of engaging, personalized lessons that you can reuse year after year. Sharing your referral code is easy. Just look for the button in the sidebar. Then invite colleagues by entering their email addresses or by copying and sharing your link. When a teacher signs up using your referral code, you'll both get storage for 3 extra activities.